So, to add your children on the tax return, right after you signing in to your TurboTax account, you want to look at the top left of your screen and make sure you are clicking on Tax Home button. After that, you want to tap on Personal Info button, and then click on Continue button. On this page, you want to tap on My Info button at the left side of your screen. And then, at your info, you want to click on your own name, and then tap this Revisit or Review button. On Let's Get to Know You Better page, you want to click on Continue. On Address and Phone Number page, click on Continue button. On SSN or ITIN, you may click on Continue again. On Checking Other Situation page, you can scroll down and hit Continue again until you reach this About Your Household page on Do You Have Any Dependents. You want to click on Yes checkmark, and here you can select on how many children you have and make them as a dependents for you. After you are done, you may scroll down and hit on Continue button to basically save your changes, which then will take you back to My Info page. And if you scroll down a bit, you can see your household section and an option to customize your dependents. Just choose on any of them and click on the Start button. Here, you can click on My Child to include dependents as your child and tap on Continue button. After that, you may insert their biodata and again click on Continue button. Right here, you want to add your children additional info, and then just scroll down and click on Continue button after you are done inserting the info. Here, I am gonna choose on none of those to avoid any other question, and again, click on Continue button. Gonna skip this for now, and there you go. Right now, your child will include on your tax return as a dependent. And from here I am gonna guide you to claim the child tax credit, so just hit on Continue button. On this page, you want to click on Federal button at the left side your screen, and hit on Deduction and Credits button. On here, you want to scroll down a bit, then tap on You and Your Family button, and on Child and Other Dependent Tax Credits, click on the Start button besides it. Hit the Continue button. On Uncommon Situations, just choose on None of them apply, and again click Continue button. And there you go. Right now, you will get the child tax credit. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.